Hello, I'm Stephen Ennis, Head of Global Equities here at Invesco in Henley. Firstly, thank you so much for your time today and of course your ongoing support of the fund. We really do appreciate it. It is an honour and a privilege to work on your behalf. We're very much hoping that we can be with you in person soon, but for now we just wanted to update you on the fund and our current thoughts. Our investment philosophy centres around three main pillars. Firstly, price. We want to buy companies which we believe offer good asymmetry with strong upside and little downside. Secondly, quality. We like to buy good companies, and in particular companies which are getting better. At a time such as this, with a very volatile macroeconomic backdrop, it is important to own resilient businesses run by management teams that we trust. It is these such businesses which tend to get stronger in difficult times. And finally, cash flow. We're very focused on cash flow and like businesses which convert their profit into cash. This allows them to invest, to grow their businesses and to pay a growing dividend. The portfolio will focus on a combination of both growth and income. We aim for a dividend yield at the portfolio level which is higher than the market, but also target faster dividend growth than the market. Along with higher yielding companies, we will also buy companies which may have a lower starting dividend yield, but which offer faster growth. Indeed, the current environment is presenting opportunities in this area. We're very conscious that we do not want the fund to be dominated by style or factor performance. We focus very much on the individual companies and construct the portfolio to make sure we avoid excess correlation between the holdings. We believe this gives us the opportunity to perform in a more consistent way for you, our clients. On to our current outlook. As you're aware, there is a lot of volatility at the moment. There are a significant number of cross currents in the macroeconomic environment which are creating a challenging backdrop for investors. Not only do we have geopolitical worries, supply chain disruptions, high fuel prices and the lingering impact of COVID in certain parts of the world, but the spectre of inflation has reared aggressively, which has led to a dramatic repricing of interest rate expectations and much more aggressive central bank policy. This seems to us certain to slow economic growth. This pernicious backdrop means that it is even more important that we focus on companies with strong long-term growth prospects, pricing power and management teams we trust at low prices. It also thrusts into light the need to be balanced. Macroeconomic volatility is high and sentiment is moving very quickly. We're very conscious of this risk as we plot our way through these conditions. I am by nature an optimist, and whilst things are volatile, it is creating opportunity. Companies we've admired but which have been too expensive are now much more appealing, and this is creating opportunity for investors with a long-term time horizon. We have seen many market sell-offs in the past, and they have always given us the opportunity to buy good companies at attractive prices. Most recently, of course, the sell-off was driven by the pandemic. This gave us an opportunity to deploy capital into attractive investment opportunities which then provided strong returns. This is an exciting time for the team as we uncover new ideas. It is these ideas which will sow the seeds of future performance. We will endeavour to bring these opportunities to your fund. Thank you for your time and your ongoing support. I hope to see you in person later in the year, and now I hand back to my colleagues in Tokyo.